my life for you. Our car has been towed.
Yeah, I don't have car. I have me.
Come out. Yeah, I like next week, but next week.
All pass. Perfect
I still have like more than 5 exams. I'm too tired.
I'm done.
I need EMS and HP.
Let's go back.
Sir, come out. He's gone. He's gone.
Oh, let's go out.
I think he's
Bye,
outside already. Hey, we cannot ride the cars anymore, right? If we don't belong to the faction.
sir.
I think that's in the new update. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Do you know that? Never mind. I've been caught!
No.
Yay! I've been caught. Let's run away! Let's run away!
Hello, sir.